This is a quick tip for anybody wanting to use a USB headset with their phone. It is possible, and it's good if you want to use your phone for calls or to record small YouTube videos like this without the distracting background noise that you might get with a phone. Now, what you need is a USB on-the-go adapter. This one came with the phone, and it converts a USB old-style connector to USB-C, and you can get these on-the-go connectors for a variety of phones depending on what your input is. Just make sure your phone supports on-the-go. Connect the device headset into there and then plug it into the phone. There we go, it's popped on just because it detected the device being added to the phone. What we can do now, just run an app that displays the volume level coming in from the microphone in the headset. Now if we just tap the bottom of the phone where the microphone normally is, nothing happens, and we're looking for a signal on there. Now if I tap the headset, you can see it's coming through the headset. So that's all you need to do. Dead easy, works really well.